Welcome to my home tour. Today I'm in a freehold 3-bedded condo in the Redhill / Tiong Bahru area, and check out the view behind you. So as you can see, we are at one of the top floors of this development with a beautiful view. So this unit is 1098 square feet. This place is really convenient because at the front you have Tanglin, at the back you have Redhill, over the other side you have Bukit Merah, all within close proximity. When you enter this unit, you're immediately greeted with a huge squarish living room, and over here is the dining area. So with this space, you can easily have a 10-seater dining table and host all your friends and family over here during CNY or all the festive periods. And if you walk further down in the living room, you can see you are greeted with this huge wall space where you can fit any TV size that you want. You have plenty of flexibility to decide how far you want to put your sofa, whether you want to be close to the TV if you have a smaller TV set, or further back where you can enjoy this beautiful view right here. So what do you guys think of this beautiful view? Now let's head over to the kitchen. Over in the kitchen, you have plenty of space for your wet and dry cooking. This is where you put your fridge in this corner, so it's tucked in, and over at the back you have your own rubbish chute. So it's so convenient, you don't even need to leave home to throw your rubbish. So on my right we have a washroom, and on the left we have your utility room. Right above me is the drying rack. If you install a drop-down drying rack, it makes drying super convenient at home. So once you enter the master bedroom, you're greeted with this private bathtub that you can enjoy. Whether you want to shower or use the bathtub to take a nice soak, you can do all of those over here. And in the master bedroom, not only can you fit a king, you can fit a super king over here. So it's almost 2 queen-size beds side by side. And when it comes to storage, you have plenty of space with this floor-to-ceiling wardrobe to fit all your clothes, as well as your winter clothes or whatnot at the top. And because of the full-length window, brightness will never be an issue. In fact, there's 2 full-length windows. Like it's a, what do you call this? Corner full-length windows over here. So very, very bright. What do you guys think of the view? Now let's talk about the bedrooms. Over here we have plenty of space. In fact, you can fit a king-size bed and still have space to walk around. Again, you are greeted with this full-length wardrobe, floor-to-ceiling height, as well as windows that will light up the whole room. Over in the common room, you can fit a queen-size bed, and you have windows that will light up the entire room. You also have floor-to-ceiling wardrobe that is tucked behind the wall so that you have more space in this bedroom. What do you guys think of the view? So if you're keen to check this unit out, be sure to DM me, or you can leave a comment down below. Happy to do more tours of the area, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.